You floss every day?
You're gonna put me on the spot like that? This is beautiful. This ain't a walking around hat.
Hey girl, hey.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a new vlog. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. I'm starting today's vlog with a little P.O. box unboxing here. I just want to show light on these businesses here on my channel, give them a little shout out. I love doing this on my channel because I have a small business myself, and a lot of these businesses put so much effort in their products. They are so underrated, and they have the most organic, pure, like some of the best products. If you want to send any of your products to my P.O. box, you'll find it in the description box down below. Now, there's one package that I received, and it's been over 2 weeks since it was sent to me, so they weren't able to hold it for me there. They actually returned it back to the sender. I'm gonna start checking my P.O. box every week now, because if I go over 2 weeks, they don't hold the packages, and I actually had no idea. Okay, so first product is by Youthful Essential, Nature's Prescription for Youthful Age at Any Age. So I love the crinkle cut papers. The packaging is so cute. My name is Lauren, and I have a skincare line named Youthful Essentials. Youthful Essentials skincare line is all natural, anti-aging, and great for all skin types. We wanted to send you some of our best products to try. Congrats on all of your recent accomplishments. Enjoy, Lauren. And the Instagram is youthful.essentials. So I'll put that on the screen. This is the Instagram info here, youthful.essentials. Thank you so much, Lauren. Congratulations on your business. You guys know that I love skincare. I love skincare products, and I love just rocking the bare face glow. And here it is. Next, we have hyaluronic gel. It's natural, oil-free moisturizer for all skin type. Hyaluronic is so good for your skin. Okay, it's very, very hydrating. Next, we have a nutritional facial moisturizer. I love that her products have clear directions and ingredients as well, so you know exactly the best way to use this. So shout out to you, Lauren. I love the packaging. Definitely feels moisturizing. It just smells really natural. I cannot wait to use this. Make sure you check out their Instagram, guys. I will give this a try and I will update y'all. Gotta get going. I love how they package this with the little ribbon around it. I wonder what this is. We're gonna find out. Hey Taja, I love you and your channel so much. I have a new business making handmade manifestation candles and kits. I sent you all 3 candles to try. Set your intention and light with positivity. I love that. Love, Brenda. Instagram, believe and receive _ www.shopbelieveandreceive.com. I I love the idea behind it because I believe that anything you put your mind to and you manifest and you put God in, honey, you're gonna receive. This is beautiful. This is peace and protection. You guys, this smells so good. This smells amazing. One thing about Tasha, she's gonna light up a candle, period. Love. This one is love. This is so creative to me. Is that a crystal inside? This is also an amazing gift idea. Y'all need to go ahead and get some of these for yourself and for your loved ones, especially if somebody I feel like just is going through something in life or just moved into a new chapter in their life. It's the money for me. Money. We are manifesting money, honey. Make sure y'all investing in stocks. Invest your money, save your money, and double your money, triple your money. Cinnamon. Is that cinnamon that I'm smelling in here? And I think y'all should go ahead and check her out. I'm gonna put the Instagram right on my screen right now. This is amazing. It's so unique and it definitely has a message. It screams self-love, it screams positivity. You guys make sure y'all check them out. All right, so next product. This card says, "Hi Tasha, thank you for using your platform to support small businesses. I watch your channel a lot. It's the consistency, the thanks you give to God and hard work you do for me. Do your thing. Hope you enjoy our products. Be kind, smile, beauty, love freely. Tony Elisa, owner." Thank you, babe. That was so sweet. Look at these. Yes, ma'am. Oh, this clear one right here, this is my fave, and I love the roses inside. Oh my God. Dashing Beauty Cosmetics. This smells so good. It's giving what it was supposed to give, girl. Girl, my lips feel so soft with this. It is not sticky. It smells good and it's lightweight, and that's all I'm looking for. I'm ready to kiss somebody now. This looks like a mocha brown. Oh. This looks like a lip scrub. Girl, thank you so much. Check her out on Instagram, Dashing Beauty Cosmetics, and the website is dashingbeautycosmeticsllc.com. Oh, we had a pair of lashes too. Talk about drama. This pair is called Her. This is my style. This right here is my style. I love it. Y'all make sure you go check her out ASAP. What do we have next? Ooh. I just opened this package and this took me to the islands. This done took me to a whole different world. Okay? Dream World onesie. And I love the card. Yes, ma'am. Y'all know I love to wear these around the house. It's the donut onesie for me. I love it. This is a long sleeve short onesie. And it feels so soft, sis. Like this material right here literally feels like butter. This is their business card. DreamWorldOnesies.com and Dreamworld Onesies on Instagram. I'm about to be wearing this on my trip. Yes, baby. You guys make sure y'all go ahead and check them out on Instagram and shop with them. Oh my God. Hold up. Urban Blaze Creations, t-shirts, Porsche signs, tumblers, puzzles, and more. She is beautiful, natural, nurturing, magical, blessed, love, at peace, a triple threat. Oh my God, y'all, look at this shirt. Yes, ma'am. Girl power, do not play with her. Yes, babe, I love this. Independent, motivated, amazing, sexy, smart, soulful, flawed, open-minded, a survivor. Oh my God, I love it. They are on Instagram and Facebook, Urban Blaze Creations. So you guys make sure you go check them out if you want dope, creative print on a t-shirt like this. Like, this is amazing. Ooh, this smells good. I just lifted up this box and this aroma of tropical scents just hit me like, dang, hold up. Vie Naturelle LLC Yoni Gel, used to cleanse and boost vagina health. This smells good, you guys. A Yoni bar. Ooh, let me show y'all how pretty this looks. How pretty is this? How rude of me. There's a card in here. I was looking for the card. It says, hey girl, hey. My name is Erica and I love watching you on YouTube. I wanted to send you a few of my products from my all natural skincare line. I hope you enjoy them. From one Haitian sister to another. Ah, yes, Haitian sister. I should have known because of the name of the business, which is so unique and beautiful. It's called Vie Naturelle, which means natural life. VieNaturelle.com. Thank you, Haitian sis. I love your packaging. The products smell amazing. This is inside of the box. Look at the inside of the box, y'all. That had everything packaged very neatly. Very nice. Candy body scrub. Candy body scrub. All of this smells so freaking good. Gloves. She also sent these shower gloves. Erica, I'm so proud of you, girl. Your products smell amazing and I cannot wait to try them out. You guys, make sure you go check her out on Instagram and also shop with her. Yeah, let's support these businesses, y'all. Let's support these small businesses. Let's give them the recognition that they deserve. Literally, those are products that I feel like are natural, handmade ingredients are right there. No chemicals, nothing crazy. So yeah, make sure you check them out. That's that on that. So I finally ordered some accent pillows for my couch from Amazon. These are some soft pillows, and then I got the actual pillowcases, some pillow inserts. I got a throw, a beautiful throw. I got this goodie off Amazon, which I thought was a great find, because I just wouldn't think that Amazon would have something like this. Found it on Amazon. It was like $8, $8 or $10. So this is something that's gonna go on top of my coffee table, hopefully when I get it. It's beautiful, isn't it? Just a little something, something.
Every food on your table. This our steak crust pizza with extra cheese and most pepperoni. Sometimes it's hard to deny any involvement, but it's clear that he's an hour away from the crime scene at the time of the murder. In another area. Drugs behind us. Sandwich police are quick to say, as are influence to use recreational people involved. Yeah, sure. There wasn't one. This is nice. And there's no evidence to date us. On this piece of Symphony. His compassion with her. He cared and wanted to know more about her. He cared about what happened to her. That was amazing. There's 3 young kids.
Stephanie had been gone hours at this point.
Daddy, where's Mommy?
I don't know, sweetie.
She's supposed to come on a field trip today to the museum.
She's wearing a red jacket, tie-dye shirt.
She said she just
guys, I woke up early today, tried to leave early, tried to plan this right, and then I couldn't find my car in the parking garage. Like, I had forgotten where I parked. But yeah, so I'm on my way to my job. I'm working today from 9 to 5. It's Tuesday.
Hey girl, hey.
I'm in the supply closet, which is right next door to my room. I'm about to go ahead and, I just finished with my first patient. I'm about to go ahead and clean up my room and stock up my room because I need to add in more toothbrushes, toothpaste, which I organized last week. I'm so glad I did this. I went ahead and organized all of these and put dates on them because we will have an OSHA inspection soon, but it looks a lot better than it did. So trust me, there is progress. What's up, guys? I'm home. I'm tired. I just went downstairs and I had all of these packages. I have my vacation packages that came, like swimsuit, clothes, shoes, bags. And then my work bag that is full, ready to be spilled. 1, 2, 3. 6 whitening boxes. And honestly, we had some more. I could have gotten more because we had like 3 boxes, but we were going through storage and stuff and inventory, and these are basically expired. So anything that is expired in the office, it has to go. Like, it's not staying. We can't give that stuff to patients. It doesn't matter what it is. So me and the dental assistant, honey, we stocked up, we filled up our bags. The manager was like, y'all go ahead and take them, do what y'all want to do. I'm like, I'm gonna take some home. We do professional whitening in my office, but also you can do these to touch up, and these work just as good if you ask me.
Yes, yep, that's how mine is. It's really big.
This is what do they call it?
Like a sun hat.
Like a sunblocker hat.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell?
It's cute.
How do you even walk around with that though? It's almost ridiculous. I think this is a picture hat. This ain't a walking around hat. This is an umbrella at this
so the sun don't be all in your face.
Yeah. And then I have a cover up. You know how they had those long cover ups?
Yes.
Good morning, inner city. Today we are up, we are alive, we are feeling great, we are feeling encouraged. I got my matcha iced tea. I really want to show y'all how I make this now because to me it tastes better than the ones I be buying. See y'all later. I don't really have anything to talk about right now, but I love y'all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Guys, I'm about to get my teeth cleaned.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
Hey, Jordan. So I'm gonna get some x-rays taken on me, guys, because just want to make sure nothing's going on.
Yeah, bye. I get that wisdom tooth if I can. Okay.
I be telling my patients, I know what you're going through because I hate these too.
I do too, and my mouth is small, so
It's even worse.
You're looking good so far. Do you floss every day?
You're gonna put me on the spot like that?
Yeah. Turn.
Do you?
No.
We are bad hygienists.
I know. I tell everybody though. I'm like, come on.
Every other day for sure. Every other day.
Yeah.
And with my Invisalign, I'm having to do more. Like I'm brushing more.
Yeah, I know when I had Invisalign, I brushed a lot more.
Girl,
That's
it's
one reason I loved it.
how long did you have Invisalign for?
Maybe a year and a half.
Really?
Oh my gosh, these instruments feel amazing.
Oh. This feels so good.
Does it?
Yes, ma'am. So, any advice that you have for any dental hygiene students?
Yes, you have pretty good hours. Most offices do the whole 9 to 5 or 9 to 6, whatever. The corporate office is nice because you can have more flexible hours and you can get specialty all done in one spot usually because we have like a periodontist,
Yes.
orthodontist.
Yes.
Yeah,
I love that. It's just,
I like that.
how was dental hygiene school for you?
Hygiene school is tough. Really, they're gonna push you to a breaking point. Because I never really cried in my life until I went to hygiene school.
Yes, ma'am.
Kind of sad, right? But really, they're just trying to get you most prepared for really anything. More than even just like hygiene, kind of just for the real world in general. But I don't know, like my teachers were really tough.
It felt like a military boot camp for me.
It is like a boot camp. And
Literally, they're so harsh on you, and you know,
they really are.
I mean, I guess it's worth it at the end, but I'm like, damn.
That's what I always told myself. I was like, just put yourself through this crap for 2 years.
This Thursday was my last day of work, so we are outside. We're outside, girl. One of my subscribers recommended this spot to me after I posted about the oysters. She said, come to CNS. It's in Sandy Springs, I believe. But y'all, I heard this spot is busting. They have the char-grilled oysters, seafood galore. I just ordered me a margarita. I got a summertime setback. It has blueberries, mint, fresh lemon, vodka. Y'all, I had to try the grilled oysters. I cannot wait. These look so good. Of course, we got some hot sauce. Taste test. Oh my god, this is so good. You can't say this ain't hitting so good. When I went to Virginia, me and Michaela, we each had all 12 of these. We had a whole platter, 12. Oh my god.